How to play Hollow Knight on a controller. If you prefer playing Hollow Knight with a controller, here's how to set it up for the best experience.
So, to get started, first connect your controller to your PC, console, or mobile device. Make sure it's properly paired or wired. If you're on PC, open Steam, go to Settings, then navigate to Controller and enable controller configuration support. This helps Steam recognize your controller automatically. Next, launch Hollow Knight and check if the controller is detected. If needed, go to the in game settings to adjust button mappings. You can reassign buttons to suit your playstyle. A controller can improve movement precision, especially during platforming sections and boss fights. If the default settings feel off, experiment with different configurations to find what works best. And that's how you play Hollow Knight using a controller.